we're taking it out the window.
So like I said, it is week 5 of renovating. It has been a crazy busy last 5 weeks, but we've got a lot accomplished. This past week, we spent a lot of our time sanding the floors. Because it is such a slow process, you can't really tell that we've made much progress at all, but we have. Without further ado, let's get to renovating.
We continued sanding the floors down in the bedroom. Last week we got the first pass completed in one of the bedrooms, and so this week we are started in the other 2. Using the big sander, we just went over the floor multiple times to get down to the bare wood.
Obie's in there sanding, and I am in this bedroom using the hand sander. The large sander can't reach the edges of the room, so I'm having to come in and get all of that. And then any high points or low points of the wood, the sander also can't reach that, so I have to get use a little hand sander and get all the little spots that haven't got. So lots of fun. I better get back to it.
We got a good pass in the last of the bedrooms and then started in the living room. We had a lot of stuff in the living room, so we had to clear that all out before we could start sanding. The living room floor had old adhesive on the wood. We hoped that it would sand off easily, but after making a couple passes with the sander, we realized that it was not going to.
Sanding was taking too long, so now we've resorted to scraping off the adhesive with a scraper. Isn't it?
Very.
It scraped off easily, and it didn't take too long before we had the whole floor scraped and ready to start sanding again. We just finished getting all of the adhesive scraped up, and we are ready to start sanding the rest of this down. As you can see, I'm not as good as using the sander as Obie is. The sander likes to pull to one side, so it's a constant battle to keep it going the direction that I want it to go. In the hallway in front of the laundry room door, there was a patch of vinyl flooring. I had tried scraping it up, but it was taking forever, so Obie thought to try a heat gun, and that worked awesome. And we had 2 layers of flooring and adhesive up in no time.
We're taking it out the window.
So the window in the bathroom was in really rough condition, and I really wanted to replace it, but I wasn't sure if we'd be able to fit it into the budget. But we were able to find a window on clearance for $72. It wasn't the exact size that we needed, but Obie was able to make it work. He had to trim down the header a little bit to give it just enough space for the window, and added some trim along the side. Once he got that installed, we were able to finish putting up the shiplap on that wall. And now it is time to remove the bathroom vanity. Obie turned off the water at the water meter just to be sure that we didn't have any leaks. And then he unhooked all the water and pulled off the countertop. And then we removed the vanity. After that, he removed the medicine cabinet from the bathroom wall. Now that the bathroom vanity is out of the way, we were able to finish up the shiplap on that wall.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
And we will see you guys next week for week number 6 of renovation.
We are changing out a window.
We found this window at Lowe's. So we found the window at Lowe's. It was on clearance for $72.
Got our mirror hoses.
You want to say hi to everybody? You want to say hi? Hi.
Much slow going